my God. Really?
Stand up.
Really?
Stand up. Stand up.
You are not
Stand up. I can touch you all I want.
No, you're not. I paid to be on this train, asshole. Stop.
I'm an asshole.
Hey,
Grab her
really,
stuff.
you're
Grab her
making
stuff.
me. I can't if you're pulling me off the train. I can't get my stuff.
You got it right
Let
there.
me go.
It's right here.
Stop. Hey, my phone's on the train.
Oh my God. Real officer, please. Officer, please.
On the train.
Please stop doing this, officer. Please don't do this.
I told you what to do.
Officer, it's really not a big
Where's
deal.
the stuff?
Officer, it's really not a big deal. It was just chairs. It was just
31 FU140. Give me a backup and location. I'm at the
Everything's on camera. So.
Westlake MacArthur Park.
We got this.
Where's her stuff at?
Are you fucking kidding me right
Where's
now?
her stuff at?
I don't know where my
I
shit is.
understand.
You wouldn't let me get off the fucking train.
How old are you?
I'm 18.
18.
He's taking me off the train for having my foot on the fucking seat.
Okay, give me some space, guys.
What's your name, officer?
Give me my shit.
What's his name? Can you see his badge?
Thank you.
of course.
Are you
Badge
gonna
number,
report
sir.
this?
Badge number.
Report.
Badge number.
Yes, sir.
5203.
Fucking badge number.
Yeah, what's the
5203.
Badge number.
Shoot the badge number.
We could get the badge number.
Come on, you think you can do this?
Yeah, I can.
Yeah, of course you can, you fucking asshole.
Over her foot? Really?
What is going
Over
on?
her
You're
foot on the
18.
train? That's so ridiculous.
Because you're a fucking scumbag. Because you're a fucking scumbag.
That's really abuse of power, officer.
Facebook.
Over her train? Over her foot on a seat?
You know what?
She wasn't blocking anybody else from sitting down?
Everything on tape.
I was on my way to the DMV. I have to meet my mother to get my ID because I just turned 18. This is not fucking fair that you took me off the train because I had my foot there because I was comfortable like that. There is no law that tells me that I cannot sit that way because I paid to be in there.
Rules of the train.
What's the fuck are the rules of the train? Tell me the rules. Am I not allowed to
Give me the book. Where's the book at?
They're all posted.
Where's the book? I don't give a shit if you're not
Yeah, that's
talking
fine.
to
You're gonna
me.
give me
This
some
is not
space,
fair.
otherwise,
No.
I'm sorry.
What, you're gonna
not
arrest
treating
me
me
or
with
what?
respect.
You're
Then she
threatening
can
me
talk to
right
me
now?
like that.
You're threatening me
I don't
right
have
now.
any fucking idea. I was about to go to the DMV to get it.
I'm not gonna give you any space because you're not giving anybody respect right now.
You're not respecting me.
I'm not
You're not
going to jail.
respecting her. I should not be going to jail
Everybody's
right now.
looking at you and everybody knows that you're in the wrong
Back
right now.
up. Back away.
I'm not gonna back
They're
up.
impeding my investigation. Back away.
Investigation.
Just back away.
Bullshit.
Investigation
You are
for what?
looking at a minority
I seen
right now.
everything.
You
Back
are
away.
looking at a minority.
Yeah,
What do
back
you
away.
want to do? You want to take my
Yeah?
back? There's nothing in there. I don't have any form of ID. I don't have any drugs. I don't have anything that you can arrest me for. My foot was on a chair. What kind of fucking conflicts do you have that you need to take me off the train when I paid for it?
The red line, MacArthur Park station.
Tell these people to go. They're waiting for me. This is unfucking fair. I don't care if I'm on the train. Let them go. They also have shit to do. They have places to be, just like I did. And then you just took me on the fucking train for having my foot there. Take me to jail. There's no reason for you to take me to jail.
Take her to jail for putting her foot on the bus? Are you fucking kidding me? You really have nothing to do. Is it the end of the month? Or
It is the end of the month.
You need to meet your quota. You need to meet your fucking quota. So you know what? This is fucking money for you right now. This is money for you right now. You're just like ravishing in it. You're just ravishing in it.
Take us.
This is beautiful.
Take us.
This is beautiful.
Take her into custody. Take her into custody. Where's the other
He
guy?
doesn't need to go into custody. This is an unfair.
Your partner? Take her into custody.
You don't need to take me into
They're
custody.
going to jail.
I don't want to.
For her foot? Oh my God.
Get off of me.
This is ridiculous.
Off of me. This is bullshit. Because this is crap. She had her fucking hat. She had her fucking foot.
She
on the
wasn't
fucking
objecting
train.
anybody
This is
from
crap.
sitting.
This is racism. This is what we are. 2018. Motherfuckers like this want to just try and act like they can do whatever the fuck they want. Fuck you guys. Fuck you. Fuck you.
Let go of your strap. No, I don't. I got a flash. Here.
What? Why? So many jackets? I mean, so many police over two women?